Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm not going to waste your time guys. I want to help you so that you can pass your driver's license. I want to help you guys, few tricks that you can use to pass the step hill. My brothers and sisters are struggling, they are failing. I've been there guys, I failed simply because I didn't have money to pay for the driving school. So I went there on my own, and I wish somebody gave me these tricks before I went all the way to the testing ground. First thing first guys, I am going to tell you the things that you should be aware of and the things that you should avoid. Maybe I'll do two parts of this video. But the first thing that you must be aware of guys, when you are approaching the step hill, you're going up on it, you're climbing, make sure that when you stop your car, you stop your car as close as you can to the line. Don't stop your car on top of the line, or don't stop your car on the other side of the line. Make sure you stop your car as close as you can to your line. I will tell you why. And once you are sure that this is the place that I'm comfortable to stop my car at, first thing that you do, you press full clutch and full brake. You press them and you pull your handbrake so that your car or your truck cannot roll backwards. You press them full, then before you do anything, don't forget, you put your gear on neutral. People make mistakes, guys. But simply because of sometimes people are not telling them. Make sure that you put your truck on neutral. Then remove both your feet from the clutch and the brake. Let the truck idle. If the instructor wants you to switch off the truck, then switch off the truck. Then when you are about to move forward, because your instructor will tell you that you have to move forward. Once you jump the line, stop your car, then he will give you more instruction when you go to the straight reverse and left hand and all those things. But you have to be careful here, guys. You go back, because now your feet are off the pedals. You have to go back with your left foot and you press full clutch again, but this time you don't press the brake. I'll tell you why. You press the accelerator on your right foot because of you will need the accelerator so that your truck will get more power to go forward. Then the second thing that you do, because of now you already pressed the clutch fully, you select your gear. You put your truck to gear number 1. Then you remove your clutch or your foot to your clutch slowly while you are pressing the accelerator slowly, gently, so that it will have more power to go forward. And pay attention. Your truck will want to go forward. Once you press it nicely, slowly, don't use too much force to your accelerator. Balance the accelerator and the clutch. Your truck will want to move forward, and you will hear it by start shaking. You have that a lot, guys. People are telling you that the truck is shaking, but if you are not careful, you do that before time, your truck will roll. And imagine, and remember, sorry about that. And remember, guys, the instructor, what they are focusing a lot is if your truck is rolling backwards. They are focusing a lot on your wheels. So you need to do this trick smoothly so that your truck won't roll backwards. You balance the clutch and your accelerator. Your truck, once it starts shaking, you will feel it that your truck wants to go forward, but there is something which is holding it back. And that thing which is holding it back is the handbrake, because the handbrake is still up. Then now, when you are sure that your truck has more power to go forward, then you release the handbrake slowly while you are still adjusting your clutch and your accelerator. The trick, guys, is on your feet. The trick is on your feet. If you get your balance there too between the accelerator and the clutch, your truck won't give you a problem, because a truck, once you remove your foot from the clutch, automatically it starts moving forward or backwards. It depends on the gear you selected. Be careful, guys, and I wish you luck. And once you are sure that the balancing is good, then you put the handbrake down while you give more power to the accelerator and you release your foot to your clutch. Your truck will automatically go forward, guys, just like that. That's how you master the step hill. People cannot tell you this kind of information. Why? Because they want you to go and learn the hard way. And I'm one of those guys who went there and I learned the hard way, guys. I struggled with it. So I love you so much, guys. I should share this kind of information. And you must remember, this video, it is not sponsored by any driving school or any traffic department. I just decided to tell you guys because it's horrible, the things which are happening to the traffic department. And it's not everybody who has money who can pay over and over to get the driver's license. Guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe so that I can grow the channel. Much love and respect, guys.